Who put the number? I said, oh, yeah, you fetch. Say, oh, yeah, fetch. What say we in my dear? What say who you know? Now, got the cock for Bamba to crowd with my show. Or Shaba.
You didn't compare the idea of a man in quite.
There is some come about Honoma. No, my shit to Mutiana, but any chamia who be me to know my bones a while.
Cassiano was said a year, not a draw.
Music,
it's big.
It's big.
One of my bones announced about question with two to say.
No way you say, watch what you say.
Oh, try, put him there. I said, tap. Oh, to him.
As a tie.
Hey, one word there. I think. One word the meaning I did come on my share forward the come on. What you from so? You don't respect me.
Tabeng, and I will what that make my baho, Ababob.
How would you catch on any lemon in the lame?
That you do, man.
Not what about cho, I don't want extra club. Maybe no bad tell me one and two. Come has your beer, let's say, one and about
But Otaku no say Puano de party pa. Then the Yakupa and I don't know Tom Mana, a free so bad by Jimmy Banna. My mouth for one, you know, message. But when you said the orange, I see.
Hey, it's a money, Mamma Fowl. Why you going to obey my that was
I need dear.
What in a crocus, my bob, rappers or to them say, a honunu about 1 and 2 or 1 year old. I had them say, Croymuna about 4 ban when your baby are. Oshami am an anti Jim, said Jim Lukutu. Into men are over by Wame. Baby, I don't know this yellow. Now I know what would be. To know what to be a bed. And to go and never I didn't go. Mom, love you.
Mommy. Sure.
Are you okay? When you okay? One night, here, buddy. I will not miss me to oh. Why? I'm from Cheshire, no, bet me. Bet me.
Me dance.
No, quite.
Me come down for no body.
All over.
Oh,
now, over the time then.
Hey, boy, me no me.
Hey, my body am baby, but you are shame.
Come to for more.
Hey, I can afford not to take it out.
Oh, Bobby, Bob, no be go be playing.
And you feel right there, come up and me see you there.
Hey, Mamma, can you show me here?
Oh,
Miss Madame Fiyawe. Madame Fi. Miss also be me be mo. Be mo impose me nya. Sir. O ma ka se to tete me ma bre. O shia be ma wo ye so dia. E fira. Ene me nko dem dem ne o brisi wusu a. Omo kika. Asem ketwa.
Omo we ye me nu mi yo.
Ma me nka bi tre fira.
Me ko nya de nya ko mo e dey. Asho.
We are so there ni trimu ye.
Sir.
O ma read that.
I was sick. No.
O ma won say read that. Say fira ma mo ati a.
Oh, had over service side.
Oh, when pra. So
o se ne ha.
I don't know who she are. Only fira want to share money.
Oh, my yaman come. Me just say for you.
Eh. But not say good year papa dey fira money tina say mama.
And I'm come so on chance so about. What's so about?
And that's why I'm more praise here. Why did they say I hear you pa?
Some of body.
If I was on baby, I was on. No, baby, I'm a 24. Maka say ya wo brazier enti me jai kraka. E say me kwa me dem ho bajim. Yeah, so one with the sit here.
Eh fede e ma na fe. Ma na fe.
What do I need? What we need? Eh tuo.
Me hu.
Like so dress say.
Amia. Maka dey sister mo wi.
Na me ka say nka tie no dey.
All stitch ho keke.
Everywhere natural. E dey ra cut here, all say ya. E ba na ate. E bi akata ate. If you are Casante,
oh, fine.
If anybody don't know,
yeah,
you could have managed my card.
Okay, but that's it.
Because I mean, Bob is here. If you're I'm here for mum. If you're here, oh, if you're on 5. Hey, if you're no, no, so come on.
See, who is saying, acting, who is saying, afa. Hey! Now, I'm simply me to chin crack, going on chin of a prayer from it.
One, no, I ring out.
Oh, yeah, ring out. Also, you cheap.
Corn in a babeda. Oh, yeah. It's in the room there. Oh, yeah, ring out to a cheap. We are very cheap.
Not fat,
not too.
So we dey open baby ayo kwa you could do na
I am quite common ready any kodi opa ye kokra na ye san kokra na ubun so bubusa me sha da kokra na say
obema na foforo no do
dey
say na odolo foforo
me so dey for ani dey me mo hu say afa no bubusa me say wo wai if you are
Facha me say e was say bani say and near the kind of me pacho. Sir, a young matria falls no fetch a minute sanamity. Nemum na a me say, when me foul say me last stop no, baby say, cosso. Fetch me pan, a young matri foul suya, a hammy pan. Because me mamma and country me say, was say, when the bear make a sana moon, or home find so which you fancy. None so no. Some near me, sana, me feel say, me come mumma, a bad boy, since I met me, Namakasa Casabia, Sabio, any coins and maker. And messages in Indian so, me, I really appreciate everything. Bouquet at the bar, made you mem everything, no, me, many so. Sir, a baby, no check it up in order. But for now, no. The work I need matter, but me person my memory kakra. I think I need to, cool up. It was me because obi I will so only make our semna. Girlfriend will say, "Would they be better me one in the?" I don't know what she's going to do the next time. To me sure. For now, dear, I think Senka, you crying. Look, listen, and this sound of me pen no, that's not how I want it. Me cry no, I have me say abanisa. Oh God. There was some I me out. Mama, me who dear menye. I said. Toba because seriously, the akosuno, meya, say when you na akosu. And I'm sorry I had to make you cry. That's not how I want it. God. Anna, Mommy Mrekakra, Mr. Yet I know, yes, I say to Anamono, Yemi and him no cranny. Some years sincere pa, me and media dancers on Yemi Bonnie. Whatever that they are saying, say why you know, it's your past. But your ex girlfriend knows so girlfriend be you know. Abo me who because la lady no you might be an niece worship I don't think so I can handle her. Cause I command say kikre I ran what the baby abo me team no share as it pragu me niece and I make a massam say. Wadam ma Mr. Fachame me. Fachame ye pa, but my memory kakra. Na your man your manya sani etie for some time. Na your sani. We're going to, handle everything. Oh no. I'm sorry.
Hi. Where do you go now? Hey. This year. Afternoon, what to say?
Oh, you didn't miss. Na me nua sawo ubi sama.
Me very sure. Eja adan de esi no na me hu de ekọ. So na na te say set say. Tempese me hu de we sitie. Na o so esi de ye. Oh, de radias. De radias.
Me da senso. Ebi ade no na nka wunni ho anka me nim de beto me. Aha.
Nasi.
Ya me pa na do betina ho.
Wampu. Because I am a tatana name them with them cries and what you come from could say.
Okay.
Be on saying, Hopono. Or yes, say a tree aquam. Cotraha, a baby BC, so one at that moment.
Yeah.
Oh, Cotraha, who be to me a show, be say, a never be in a hopo any.
That day, need your way, me yam. Because now we knew what the enemy knew dear. Now, if you're right, wait yet. And yes, I say, may I impinge some bets. Say bibi chire ma adwen so kakra
sa
me ba ha bia ye wo enko na oba girl no ase mi hu ne sa se ho kafo ade wa kwantu oyire wa kwantu mo
oh mi ni obi o ma akwam
oh sa
yeah mi ni obi o ma akwam ti je ebunya me mpaye
mpenye fie so na uni obi a wa akwam
se abrabo no yes be me fa bi na oba ni jam ya bi ti my ma dwene sem ya yi ko se
fruitim ati wani so
fruitim
aka me koye aduane na e ka nyoma kitu ebi madam fu ni bi nti na me hwese menye bi we ni mu ho ato
a okay ene akoto de aduane
ka me ye banku ni nkruma nkwa
okay
nkruma nkwa ni jene na ka me
o fasia u me bi ton e fe na ifro o ko benye ne men bi wono tonton ne ma bebibi wo
okay mitim pa cho me do din be ka ho
sa oh
eduane dia me we si eduane ti me di ka ka akire wansa so o ka da bia na ndie ma ha me ho
eja menimu da se fi ha na ba onyim busu ani sebi so so wonye wo ye eduane ade me din be ka ho sa nyim se nye ne bonimu
yeah
aha ye nyina ne yem ne nyina ide ye pen ti meda wase so nya sa adwena ide ama me ti me hwe ni
okay
bye
okay medasi
yo mate
mi ya me do dia be
mate hey hi hey gay
What's up?
Good.
See ya, I know it.
And then I
What's up?
Good.
Nice. Okay. Mama, no quick one. Should I say this year because I said be happy. And
I was telling you, say, cool, South Africa, now for years. There is one thing I like about them. You can't bribe a South African child. Or you cannot bribe her or him because we're honest people. The other time that you share, and let me say, when it Beyonce, and I was you, girls, I mean, whatever. To be cool, if I wasn't even serious about it, I was trying to find out, I said, here, I said, on your own casa. I was you in your BBA, and I was trying to push it to me. I was feeling, say, yeah, and friends, and I problem number, I'll do my best to settle it. For once, Okuti attitude be me very good in observing. And I mean, I'm very observant. And I've been observing her. There is a kind look. So who say look no anymore? It has old bonnie and I will count show. And then pim pim. I saw that and I was like, wait a minute, what's going on? Oh, and your shit. Hey, girl's cool. Hey, mama dear. Rah, did that. I was like, yo, I'm not a child. I say a girl's school. Then I make a chain and say, do you want to tell me or do you want me to find out? When to me, I'm shaming. Because she she couldn't look into my eyes because it's old chantro. But all I'm trying to say is and then
you know what? Beyonce can look into your eyes and lie. She's a liar. You know, I don't want to talk about. You see, the last time I told you, say, I don't want to talk about Beyonce. I don't want to talk about her. Okay. I just said anything about her, I've let go. Just say I don't want her around me. She's not my Facebook friend. Like my cutting off. So if you come to me, my nigga, just come to me as a sister. You know, don't come to me and talk about Beyonce. I'm not interested. And let me tell you something. I just want to make this very short. So only Beyonce now on now person in dino because Beyonce ain't cheating on you.
Okay.
Beyonce is cheating on you. Or dating was her dating an AJ. You're not crediting a mini Beyonce. You're not. At what for your friend in an AJ. When them say Beyonce, just say, hold on, I don't want to talk about it. Just say, you know, I don't want to talk about. Or dating was also dating an AJ. And that many are Tony and Amaria Pines. And to Badeka me. Say what is going on because I even saw Phyllis and Beyonce was cheating, which was with you. And I make a try to say this is what Beyonce is doing. Think and say, my time in the Bebo brands, make a show up. I'm also doing the Beyonce and Madame Finity. I'm also doing the same thing. And in the end, many are two breaking up her year. And she also had the guts to sack me out of the house after knowing you said she was cheating. And knowing you said even if said Makacho, yeah, I told her Makacho, and I told you are dating. And you know, I also who answer say because you're dating my confining in a tuna Makacho. And on Yaku, no what chimp and I actually know. And some packet memenyama, I see I'm the victim. A good thing. So I don't want to talk about Beyonce. I don't want to talk. If you come here, let's talk as obedient in here, not about Beyonce. So this is the information. Whatever you want to do with it, that is your business. I don't want to know. That's all. I don't want to talk about her.
All right. I mean, thank you. You know what? Thank you. Don't worry about it. Because me buy unnecessary confrontation.
Your last trip with Beyonce or I'm Ghana straight to. Say Beyonce bound chain with Greece, no if you be man chain the bound chain. We fi Ghana ne buy you. Or if different country the bound chain with Greece. On the bear man and that hotel. I don't want to talk a lot because I say me mouth too much information.
I mean, not mommy too much information. And what's wrong with it? I mean,
no, I don't even talk to her, so I don't care. Oh, I catch her and say me, and I'm catching me business, and I'm catching. Say on in an AJ, sample Berman. As I say, Berman on in a trip, and a friend of an AJ.
Thank you.
And tonight, I also I had to say Sibono.
Just say.
Our pen and AJ just was swollen. Why you from an AJ so petty? He said, I guess because angry lion. Angry lion.
Me, woman, I say leftover. She's packaged the leftover for me, right?
Of course, you've always been a leftover with her. You don't know?
Okay, sure.
You've always been a leftover with her.
Sure. Maybe I say, into the my friend, can I share any lunch?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
You know, don't be too harsh on her.
No, I'm good. I mean, you know.
She has been good to me before, so I mean, don't be too harsh on her.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you know. Into what you back, you share any lunch, yeah.